Section 1. You will hear a telephone conversation between an agent and a young woman who wants a temporary job looking after children for a family in another country. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6. You will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good morning, Home Help for Good. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Vanessa Clark. We spoke last week about my application for the au pair job. I wondered whether you'd been able to find a family for me yet?
Yes. I've got your form here, Vanessa. I was going to phone you later today.
Oh, that's good. Where does the family live?
Yes, one moment. I'll get the details for you. Yes, in a village called Shalix. I'm sure you'll like it there.
The family live in Shalix, so Shalix has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Good morning, Home Help for Good. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Vanessa Clark. We spoke last week about my application for the au pair job. I wondered whether you'd been able to find a family for me yet?
Yes. I've got your form here, Vanessa. I was going to phone you later today.
Oh, that's good. Where does the family live?
Yes, one moment. I'll get the details for you. Yes, in a village called Shalix. I'm sure you'll like it there.
Is that in Switzerland?
No, it's in France, actually, but it's near the Swiss border.
Thanks. I'll look it up on the internet. And the children?
They have 3. 2 8-year-old girls, Joe and Maggie. They're twins. And Andreas, he's 4 and not in school yet.
Okay. And what do the parents do?
The father works for a local company.
You mean as a manager or something?
He's a director, actually, and the mother is a nurse, but she only works part-time.
Oh, good. And can you tell me what their family name is?
Keller. That's Kellar.
A-R at the end?
Yes.
Thanks. And about the contract, when would I be able to go?
We'll be sending you all the details very soon, but the family's very flexible. They suggested sometimes around the 15th of June.
And are they happy for me to only go for 6 months rather than 12?
Well, our families do usually like you to commit to 12 months, but I did tell the parents you would prefer the shorter time, and they're fine with that. But if you do change your mind...
I'll let you know. It's just that a year sounded so long. What about time off?
You'll get 1 whole day off per week. That's Sunday. You'll have to work every Saturday, I'm afraid, and you're also free for 2 half-days during the week from Monday to Friday. You can decide when to take those week by week, apparently. Is that okay?
Sounds good. What about money? I think you said au pairs get paid 125 euros a week normally. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. What else do I need to know? Oh, what are they expecting me to do? Cook? Do housework?
They have a cleaner, but you will have to do some light cooking, which you'd expect in this kind of job. And as you've got your license, they will want you to do some driving. Just taking the children to school and back, I imagine.
Fine.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you'll have some time to look at questions 7 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
In my free time, I want to do some language lessons. Would that be possible?
I've got the details of a college where you can take lessons.
How far is that from the house?
Let's see. It's a 30-minute walk, 2.5 kilometers. Or you might be able to take the car. It'd only be a 5-minute drive.
Thanks. And what about the area? I mean, as far as what kind of sports I could do there. I absolutely love swimming. Is there a pool?
I know it's a good area for sailing. Your family said lots of people do that, but I don't have any other details. Perhaps your internet search could help you with that, too.
Just wondered, but this village, is it small, busy, quiet, large?
I don't know much about it, but the family did say there's a club which lots of local families are involved in, and it has all sorts of things going on in the daytime and evening.
In the village itself?
Mm-hmm. And it's funded by the locals, too. Anything else I can help you with?
One thing. My parents are a bit worried about insurance. Should I get some?
Yes, that would be a good idea. I'll pop a leaflet in with your information file about that. I'll be sending you the paperwork in a few days.
Thanks for your help for now, then.
You're welcome. Any other questions, just call us.
I will. Thanks.
Now here's the end of Section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.